Hey guys, this is Sanskruti and I study maths and today is a topic which is very interesting. So let's begin today's video. And today's topic is related to very of our favorite thing, the gold. So today we are going to talk about the gold of Dubai. Means just think that today we are going to talk about Dubai, the gold city of the world. So let's begin. So first fact about Dubai is the golden city of the Dubai is the golden city of the world. So why it is golden city of the world? Because the gold of Dubai is very pure. There is nothing mixed in that gold. So next fact is that guys, 30 countries buys the gold from Dubai. It include even India is also included in that 30 countries, and China is also included in that 30 countries. So, people brought the gold from Dubai and they mix something in gold and make their own golds. After that, the next thing is the Dubai never makes something in the gold because of if something the government of Dubai is very Dubai is the government of Dubai is very careful of about the gold, and they have to take care of their country's gold. So next is why government takes the care of their gold, because the income of Dubai is from only from gold. There are so many types of uh, income, but the gold is such a big type of income for Dubai, so that's why they take care of the gold. That's why they doesn't mix anything into the gold. And if you saw the gold of India and if you saw the gold of the Dubai, so you can get that what is the real gold. And next fact is, if you want to go Dubai, so you have to give visit to the city, the golden city, the gold socket of the Dubai. And if you enter in that, so you have to buy something from there, because the that place is very beautiful, and there are thousands of gold shops. There are thousands of gold shops. So that's why if you can't live without buying a single ring, or you have to buy something, because you that place is very beautiful and you just say that I have to take something. So there are thousands of gold there are thousands of shops of golds at one place. After that, the next is the government test all things, just like their petrol and all that, but they are very careful about the gold. And they buy they check gold for 2 to 4 times. That's why the gold of Dubai is very pure. And after that, they just apply some batches on that the gold. So that's why the people just knows about that, yeah, this gold is very pure, this gold has this something, and this gold has this something. And after that, you get some certificates of that gold. And you can also sell that gold in any Shopee of any country. So if you leave, the next fact is, if you leave uh, in Dubai for 1 hour, uh, you can carry gold of 50,000 gold, 50,000 rupees gold you can carry with you if you live in 1 year in Dubai. So if you can't live in 1 year in Dubai, you can't take it with you. And if if that is more than 50,000 100, so you have to pay something money, you have to pay something fine. And if you don't if you doesn't live for 1 year in Dubai, and if you have the 50,000 100 rupees gold, so you have to pay fine about that, because if it is legally, so you can't if it is legally or it is not legal, you have to pay fine. And if you but you if you have to keep all the certificates with you of that gold, because if someone checks you, so you have to show the certificates. And if that the 50,000 100 golds with you, you are carrying them, and you have lived for 1 year in Dubai, and if some policeman checked you and you doesn't have the certificate, so you have to pay fine. And if you have the certificates, you can go safely. So guys, the Dubai is the golden city only because of this, because uh, only because of this there is a very pure gold in the Dubai, and you have to go there. But not now, after when COVID will end, so you go there. So hope you like today's video and our today's facts. So if you like, so like video, subscribe to our channel, and thank you guys.